Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel educationindia.com. So friends, in this channel I will discuss how to create a bill. The video is going to be very beautiful. Let's start today's video. Before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for latest video. So friends, first you will open MS Excel and then write the company name in the first row. So this name is ABC PVT Ltd. Okay. And then it will merge. First select this row and it will merge. So and then below that write the address. CC Avenue, Jagadish Chandra Road, and then select this row and merge it. Okay. And then write the bill invoice and then write the bill invoice. Okay, bill invoice, and also select this row and merge it. Okay, first select company name and bold and change color. Select bill invoice and also change color and also bold. Okay, then they will merge. Then you write first bill number, second item, third rate, fourth quantity, and fifth is amount. So name this bill number, just example, name of the item, cake, biscuit. So friends, let's see. Item I have written consecutively, and then so friends, let's see. Quantity I have already written, amount I have already written, and then I am putting down the quantity and the amount. I write total, GST and grand total. Let's go. So first I am putting down total, then GST 18 percent, and last grand total. Okay, and let's merge it two row and also merge it and grand total merge it. Okay, then selected this 3 row and change the color and get bold and set align. Okay, first I will get this formula. So friends, let's get total. So how to calculate this? First select the sum, like auto sum. Let's see, when I click auto sum option, then automatic it calculate, and tap the enter key. Let's see, calculate total amount. Okay, and how to calculate GST 80%? So friends, firstly and select total into 18 by 100 and press enter key. Okay, so GST 18% on this total amount. Okay, and how to calculate grand total? First get equal to and total amount minus GST 80% and press enter key and also calculate the total amount already calculated. So friends, and select this total 3 row and press bold, change the color. Okay, and bill number, item, rate, quantity, select and get bold and also change the color. Okay, and select total table and get a border. So all borders and click OK. So friends, I already create a table, like how to create a bill, like a bill. So friends, in this video I already discussed how to create a bill. This was the main topic of discussion today. How was the video? Please comment. If you like the video, please give a like and keep watching my other videos. Till then, you will stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.